rain, go away. Come again another day. Little children want to play. Rain, rain, go away. Parents and children, your guess is as good as mine. Yes, we are going to talk about the rainy weather. Rainy weather is when you see rain falling from up. Okay, it comes from the clouds. Now, how does this weather happen? It happens because of the rain cycle. Okay, now look at this. This is the sun. When the heat of the sun falls on the water, on the earth, on the oceans, in the rivers, and the ponds, with that heat, the water evaporates. It means it becomes from water to gas, water vapor. And this water vapor forms the clouds in the sky. Now when this water vapor, that is the clouds, cool down, they again become water. That means condensation has taken place, and all this water goes back into the rivers, ponds, oceans, and this cycle goes again and again and again. So it starts. Water evaporates, forms clouds, condenses, forms rain. Okay? So now we all know in the rainy season, Mummy Papa tell us to wear a lot of rain gear. Raincoats, caps, gumboots, and we also carry umbrellas to keep ourselves very safe from the rain and don't want to get wet in the rain or don't want to get sick with the rain. And we also love to eat foods like, my favorite is bhajia, okay, and chai. But children, maybe you can't drink chai, but at least you can help mommy make bhajias. And how can you do that? You don't have to fry, but you can tell mommy, give me some batter and whisk, 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 mix, 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 mix. Okay, mix, 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 mix. When you mix it all, mommy takes it to the kitchen and she makes delicious, tasty bhajias. Now I'm going to sit by and we'll go back to the activity after this video of mine. Bye for now.